be able to network with other entrepreneurs like us who are literally starting from scratch. It was good to just walk along with these women entrepreneurs.
The Developing Entrepreneurial Women programme is a programme that supports female entrepreneurs to start their businesses. It consists of masterclasses, panel events, networking events and specialised small business coaching support.
We decided to partner with University of South Wales on the Developing Entrepreneurial Women programme because the university has really strong links to the business ecosystem, and the support that they can offer complements the support that NatWest offers in terms of supporting entrepreneurs on their journey.
It helped me with my branding, it helped me with trying to get my business marketing out there, it helped me navigate through social media. I couldn't ask for more, really.